Hey guys, Matt Powell back here at Body Evolution, finishing up a workout, and I want to go over one of our new pieces of equipment, the Anterior Chain Developer machine. This was made famous by Westside Barbell, and it's a great way to hit your quads, so we're going to walk you through it. So if you come this way, please. Very first thing I want to be able to show you guys, if you want to change the height for some of you people who are a little taller or a little shorter, all you do is loosen here, pull this pin out, and you can move the machine up and down to allow this pad right here to move, and then put your back of your knee right there. If you need to go forward or backwards, depending upon how thick you are and how big you are, you pull this and move this back and forward again. We already have it set up for Coach Victoria, who's going to hop in and we'll demonstrate the machine. So you can see she puts her hands on the handles, gets her feet set up. Her shins are going to be close to this pad right here. The back of her knee is right here with this rolling pad, and that's what we want. It's going to support her. She's going to get as tall as she can. Excellent posture, hands whatever's comfortable. From here, she's going to fall backwards. And she's going to lean as far as she can. The pad is going to counterbalance her along with the weight stack right there. She's not going to squeeze her quads, lock out, stand up tall, just like that. She's going to do it again, and we're going to walk through it. So, again, we notice her hips stay high, and she's going to fall back as far as she feels comfortable for her ability level. Then she's going to squeeze her quads and lock out as hard as she can, and you can feel that nice little pump coming on right here. And it will go all the way from hip to knee right there in that anterior chain. That's why they call it that machine. One more rep, please, before we reach out. Perfect. Big lean, hips stay high, squeeze as hard as you can right there. One more thing I want to go over. Perfect. Stay right where you are, please. This is the counterbalance. So the easier you want to make it, the more weight you put on here. If you want to make it harder, you would pull weight off of here. So this is the counterbalance. This is not a way to add resistance. It's a way to make it easier. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.